Kenzie, look at that thing.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hey. You can smile. That's Posy getting the ice in the background. Yes. Hey, sweet girl. There's Micah. Micah man, smile at the camera. Say hey. Are y'all excited about Christmas tomorrow?
Yes.
Christmas Eve, I should say, is tomorrow.
I'm afraid I may not get good sleep. I'm so excited.
What about you, Micah?
I'm so excited.
So what are y'all hoping to get for Christmas?
A DSI. And I want that red T-Rex.
The red T-Rex and a DSI? Kenzie, what you want? She's like, I don't care. I think she's getting hungry.
He's running.
Kenzie, look up here, baby. Hey. Well, how do y'all like the new camcorder?
I don't think you won't let me use it.
It's our Christmas gift from Mama and Papa.
It wasn't my fault. I dropped the other one.
They sent us some money and we got us a
I
camcorder.
tripped on the wire.
Because our other one, yes, is not
Tripped
working
on the
well.
wire, fell down.
And we need to be able to record these kids. They're growing up too fast. All of them. So,
This is all thanks to
Micah, I hate to correct you on camera, but please come at the table with that screwdriver.
Okay.
Okay? Thank
He's
you.
ripping his baby dinosaur apart.
He's fixing it. Putting some new batteries.
He's
Did that
doing
one
child
need
abuse.
new
He's not
batteries?
nice. Child abuse.
Okay. All right.
The sensor on his nose isn't working.
Well,
changing colors again.
we'll be putting the video on YouTube for everyone to see who wishes to view our videos. Yes. Yes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Woo, let's turn it sideways. Woo! Of course, you probably don't want to be turning your screen sideways on the computer, so we'll leave it like this, I guess. Yes. At my lovely messy house. It's a wreck.
Because of Kenzie.
Because of y'all.
Kenzie. It's because of Kenzie. Kenzie.
Alright. How about we sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas? How about you go
Yes.
there? No, get in the camcorder so we can see you. We want to see your lovely
Kenzie's already
face.
singing. Kenzie.
There, yeah, she
Wait
goes.
for us, Kenzie.
Go ahead, go sit over there with
Wait
Drake.
for us, Kenzie. Okay, Kenzie. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. One more time. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yay! You gonna clap? Yay! She claps sometimes.
This is
Sometimes.
how she claps.
Yay!
Yay! Come on. You can do it.
Can you clap for us, Kenzie?
Yay. Do it. Come on. Yay.
Come on, yay!
Yay. Micah, clap the hands.
She's not wanting to do it. Oh, well. Maybe another time. Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.